Okay, so just check the sound. Just check the sound. Give me a minute here. Make sure I have the right microphone turned on and everything. Okay, just turn up the volume a little bit and give a few more people a chance to come in. So here we are on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025. And I'm starting off this analysis. We're here live on the 4-hour chart looking at the DXY. This is the dollar index, the US dollar index. And this is the US dollar compared with 6 major currencies. And as you can see, this pretty much tells the story. This chart right here tells the story of what we have been experiencing for the last 3 days. And this is like, going along here. A couple of weeks ago, I said, the US dollar is starting to decline, starting to lose strength. Then we went sideways for a little bit. And then the nonsense started. And here we got starting talking about tariffs. And then here the tariffs actually happened. And then here the tariffs didn't happen. And oh, I don't know. What can you do? This is nonsense. This is insanity. And this is, well, it is what it is. I don't know what else to say about it. And this is why I told everyone in my group that I'm sitting on my hands yesterday, because I know full well the market is just going to come back to what it was doing. And that's exactly what it is. Look, right now where we are, the US dollar is back to where it was before this nonsense started. And so what we just saw here was a knee-jerk reaction to the news. And then everybody sort of comes to their senses and they go back to doing what they were doing. So, you can read it on the headlines. Wall Street was freaking out and blah, blah, blah. So, anyway, I'm ready to get back trading now. How long will things stay normal? Who knows? We might have to put up with this kind of stuff for the next 4 years. Oh my God. You just have to be sure and follow rule number 1, and that is protect your investment, protect your money, protect your capital. You know what Warren Buffett says? It's not important how much you win. What's important is how much you don't lose. And I think a lot of people lost money over the weekend and yesterday, not knowing what in the world is going on with the market. Sometimes, you see this, it's better just to sit on your hands. Just wait. There's only 3 things you can do in trading: is buy, sell, and wait. And a lot of times it's better to just wait. So that's my rant. Let's go back and look at the charts. All right, let's look at gold first. And gold, what in the world is gold doing? I can't keep changing the numbers fast enough. We're reaching a new high every day. Gold is a safe haven. And of course, that's what people are going for right now, is a safe haven, because it looks like the world is going to shit. At least the world economy. We've been in this long uptrend since the entire month of January. And of course, with a couple of pullbacks here, major pullbacks, which is normal. And we're looking at it now, and somebody said gold is going to the moon. Well, the moon is a long way away. Who knows where it's going? But remember, nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes up forever. Okay, this is going to come back down, and we just have to be vigilant and prudent and protect our money. Okay, I would not buy right now. That's crazy. It's been going up all day long. Wait for a pullback. Look for an opportunity to buy. Right now, if you want to buy, I would say the best price to buy is 28.32. 28.32. That's about right in here where the cursor is. 28.32. Let it pull back. Well, I just got a notice from one of my team. He got out at 28.41. Well, good for you. Good for you. You got out at 28.41. Now it's 28.43 is the all-time high. I can't keep changing the numbers fast enough. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, we don't know what the all-time high is going to be today. It might go to 28.50 today. That's a nice round number. We have no resistance. There is no place where it's been before. We're in uncharted territory. But if you want to buy, wait till it comes back down, get a better price. You don't want to buy at these high prices. Wait till you get a better price. And I think the best price you could get tomorrow would be about 28.32. Let me just put a line in there. See where we can. Where's 28.32? That would be. Just put that in there right quick. 28.32. Okay, there's 28.32. Let it come back down. That was resistance yesterday. Okay, no, earlier today, that was resistance. It stopped there and came back down, and then it took off again and went above that. So that's our support now, 28.32. And then below that would be 2800. Okay, our major support level, a strong psychological support level. I don't know that we'll ever see that again. It looks like gold is going to the moon, as they say, wherever that is. Okay, so 28.32 is a good price to buy. We are bullish on day one, H4, bullish on every chart. And some people say, well, we're overbought. Oh, yeah, overbought for sure. We will see a pullback. Okay, nothing goes up forever, guys. Okay, if it breaks below 2,800, which I doubt that seriously, the next support level is 27.59. So gold is bullish. Gold is going to the moon. Don't buy at the high prices. Wait till it pulls back. A good price to buy is 28.32. And let's look at the major currency pairs, the ones that are paired with the U.S. dollar, Euro US. See here, all this nonsense, and it dropped like a brick in the middle of the ocean. And then, it's almost back to where it started. Yep, in just 2 days. That's what happens to everything. It's all the same. And we're bullish on the day one, bearish on the neutral on the H4. That's old information. Let me get rid of that. So now we have resistance here at 1.0414. And I'm going back to what I was saying previously, that the major pairs are turning bullish against the US dollar. After we clear out all of this craziness here, you see the major pairs coming back up to where they were, and I believe we will start to see higher prices on the euro, the AUD, New Zealand, the pound, all of them. But of course, it's not materialized yet. We need to be patient. We need to wait. Okay, we need to wait. Don't even, if you want to buy the euro US, I really believe tomorrow I'm going to look at putting in a buy order on all of these major pairs, because I'm going back to what I was saying a couple of weeks ago, that we are bullish on the major pairs, as we should start to see continuing weakness of the US dollar. So here we are at the Euro US. Look at the AUD US. It's higher than it was before all of this craziness started. And now it's reached the resistance level, okay, which it's right on that now at 0.6238. Good price to buy, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow, because you don't know what will happen in the U.S. session as it continues on. The New Zealand U.S., right back to where it started. Yeah, they're all the same. All this craziness here, this nonsense, almost back to where it started, getting close to resistance there. So another one I'll be looking at buying tomorrow. And then the pound US is doing the best of all of the major currency pairs. It's already broken above what was resistance after this nonsense over the weekend. It's broken above, did really good yesterday, recovering. And now that's starting to move up. So this is a good buy already, but I'll wait till tomorrow. See if maybe we'll get a bit of a retracement during the US session. And then the USD CAD, okay, went up like a rocket, okay, up to 148, $1.48. Wow. And then, of course, came falling right back down to where it was before all of that craziness started. And so here I'm going to be bearish on the USD CAD as the US dollar starts to lose strength. And we're back to where we started. And so I'll be looking for an opportunity to go short on the Euro US. Right now at resistance at 1.4400. and everything getting back to normal, guys. So it's really looking good. I'm in a good spirit. I wasn't in a good spirit yesterday. Okay, and then finally the UJ, and I will be going short on the UJ. You see, it's already hitting support level here. And as it breaks below this, maybe in the close of the US session, and then tomorrow I'll be looking to go short on the UJ. So shorting the US dollar and going long on the major pairs that are paired with the US dollar, the Euro, AUD, New Zealand, and Pound, and going short on the UCAD and the UJ. All right, so another look at the DXY, and the dollar continues to drop. It make a big drop today, and it looks like it's going to drop further during the U.S. session. And just quickly, I haven't looked at the Dow Jones in a long time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, it went down, and then and then it went up right back to where it started. And now today it's just kind of everybody. I think everybody is tired. They're tired of all the aggro, the nonsense, the craziness, the volatility. Anyway, so not much happening in the stock market overall today. Okay, so that's it from me. Thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate you watching. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below this video. I will get back to you. And I wish you all the best with your trading. Just remember, protect your capital, protect your investment. Don't chase the candles. The market will be here tomorrow, next week, next month. Sometimes it's better just to sit out and let things settle down. So that's it from me. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and love the video and share with your friends. And I'll see you again next time.